Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to flip the videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Example, I have recorded this video in iPhone, but it got flipped. It's mirrored. So I just want to rectify that. So what you need to do is just import the clip in Adobe Premiere. Just import the clip in Adobe Premiere. Okay. So now under FX, go to flip. So I'm going to put this on horizontal flip, not vertical flip. Okay. So I'm going to just click on this and put it on the video. Now it's changed. Simple. Under this effect controls, you can see that horizontal flip FX. So if I turn off right, so it will be like a mirror. And if you just turn it on, then it's fixed. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can rectify flips videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback to media from. Thank you. Bye and take care.